Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. This channel is specifically for BSc Agriculture Honors student and courses related to agriculture extension education and communication. So this is the third lecture on the multiple choice question series, which is helpful for you for semester and theory examination for the course elective extension 244 and agricultural journalism. So let's start our this third lecture on this MCQ from question number 51 to 75. Question number 51, an experience story can also be written about the experience of a third person or group of person is called as dash dash dash. Options are A, personal experience story, B, confession story, C, third person experience story, and D, personality feature story. So correct answer here is option number C, that is a third person experience story. Then the next question, if any farmer has won a prize for producing the best crop in the district, goes as a news story, is known as dash dash feature story. So options are first, news feature story, B, process utility feature story, C, experience feature story, D, personality feature story. So correct answer is here news feature story. Then question number 53, major sources of information, it is a local, college and universities, is which type of the sources of agricultural information? So correct answer is state level, local level, regional, international or professional organizations, D, commercial publication. So when we are taking the information from college and university level at a local place, it called as the local level agriculture information sources. So correct answer is B, local level. Then question number 54, the first editorial page of the magazine and include welcome letter from editor in chief explaining the content of the topic is present in the following part of magazine. So there is a part of magazines are there. So in which part the editorial page is there? Okay, so it includes the welcome letter. So here option A is article, back of the book, letter from editors, contributor or imprint. So correct answer is what? Letter from editors. Then next is a question number 55, dash dash is a part of magazine contains the remaining content, shorter articles, news, listing, remaining columns and horoscope. So in which part of the magazine this all that content is present? Option A, articles, B, back of the book, C, cover page, D, letter from editor. So correct answer is what? Back of the book. Then question number 56, the person who confesses gives again a personal life and experience story. It includes his good point and success, but also his omissions and failures, is called as dash dash agriculture feature story. So that particular story is also included the not only the positive points or whatever their good experience, but also their failure. What their particular story is called as? Option A, experience feature, B, personal experience story, C, personality feature, and D, confession story. So it called as a confession story. Then the question number 57, the source is someone at the center of the event or issue. We call such people dash dash sources. So which sources this particular having the person is a someone is the center of that particular event? Secondary source, reporters, primary sources or written sources. So correct answer is what here? C, primary sources. Then question number 58, dash dash which have not been officially released to the press or it's given by someone in a company or government department to you who does not want to be seen giving them to the media. So whatever the official material is there, but the particular companies don't want to give that particular material to the media. Okay, so they should given to the some person. So what that particular document is called as, it is one of the sources of information. It is a tip of, B leaked document, C written sources, D press notes. It's called as a leaked document. Okay, then question number 59. Occasionally someone will calls with a story but refuse to give their names. These sources of information called dash dash dash. So what that particular information source is called as? Press notes, press release, tip off, handout. So correct answer is what? Tip off. When we in Marathi we call it as khabri, so they did not have the give the name for the particular that information. Okay, they're anonymous, so that is called as a tip off. Then the next is a question number 16. Dash dash sources of agriculture in sources which is a less formal in character and also issued on important official matter. Okay, that is for example price fixation of food grains. What that particular agriculture information is called as? It is handouts, press note, press release, press statement. So it is a press notes. You go through the all the information sources, okay, and their examples and their whatever the meaning or definition they give. So you go through the notes, so you will get the all the this information. Then the question number 61, that is a dash dash are issued on a variety of subject like the day-to-day activities of ministry or departments, VIP speeches, question and answer in parliament or legislature on the developmental programs of government department. What that particular called as? Press release, press statements, handouts or press notes. So it's called as a handouts. Okay, so it is a when you issue any variety of the subject like day-to-day activity or whatever the ministry department is there, VIP speeches are there, or in parliament things are there. So all these are comes under your handouts. Okay, then next question is question number 62. What is the full form of PTI? Okay, so it is a Press Trust of India, Press Truth of India, People Trust of India, or none of this. So it is a Press Trust of India. Then the next question is question number 63. United News of India is founded in the year dash dash dash. Okay, so that is UNI. So it is 1947, 1949, 1961, 1982. Correct answer is what? 1961. Then the UNI was the first to start a multi-language news service called dash dash dash. Which multi-language news service is provided through the UNI? It is a Unipatra, Univarta, Uninews, none of these. The correct answer is what? Univarta. Okay, then the question number 65. Hindustan Samachar was set up in 1948 by dash dash dash. So it answer is SS Apte, Kuldeep Nair, SV Supe, AK Singh. So correct answer is what? SS Apte. Okay. Then the next question, question number 66. Hindustan Samachar was merged with the Press Trust of India in the year dash dash dash. 1961, 1975, 1982, 1978. Correct answer is what? 1975. Then question number 67. First chairman of Samachar Bharati, that is SB, was dash dash dash. That is Jay Prakash Narayan, Kuldeep Nair, SS Apte, none of these, none of the above. Correct answer is Jay Prakash Narayan was the first chairman of Samachar Bharati. Then dash dash committee was formed to examine the structure of Samachar as news agency. SS Apte, Jay Prakash Narayan, Kuldeep Nair, AK Singh. Correct answer is what? Kuldeep Nair. Okay. The next question, types of interview are as following. Okay, so rather than this all the sources of information, some interview is there. Okay, so these are through interview you can get the information about the particular subject. So here types of interviews are following. First is a news interview, symposium interview and personality interview. Second B, news interview, conference interview and personality interview. C, news interview, symposium interview and group interview. D, panel interview, symposium interview and group interview. So correct answer is what? News interview, symposium interview and personality interview. Okay. Then next question is question number 70. Dash type of interview intended to give readers expert comments and illumination on a subject current in the news from persons directly or indirectly connected with the news item. Okay, so it is a give the information related to the current subject in the form of news. Okay, from the person directly or indirectly, and those person who are directly indirectly, those connected with that particular news, is called as news interview, symposium interview, personality interview or panel interview. So it's called as a news interview. Then question number 7. Dash type of interview reveal the personality of a person who is interviewed. Okay. So here it is very simple answer is there. The personality interview is a correct answer. Okay. Then question number 72. Looking around and behind you during an event rather than just being reviewed on the speaker is dash degree view. When particular journalist went to the particular place where any accident or any event is happen, that time he not going to be look only that particular event, but also the person or those peoples are present in that particular event. So they look around behind during that particular event. Okay, it's called as what? 260 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree, 120 degree. So it's called as a 360 degree angle. Okay, means they are look around. Okay, behind all over their particular environment. Okay. Then question number 73. Dash is an organization that gathers news report and seeks them to the subscribing news organization. Okay. Sells them to the subscribing news organization. What will be the correct answer here? News service, Samachar Bharati, news organization or wire service. So correct answer is what? Wire service. Okay. Then question number 75. Dash should reflect all the parts of research paper but in shortened form, or it is a summary of research paper. What will you call as that particular thing? It is abstracting, wire services, interview or none of this. Correct answer is what? Abstracting. Okay. Then question number 75. Dash is an account of event in a sequence. What we called as news article, news story, research paper. It's called as a news story. So this is about 51 to 75 question. Thank you.